OpenAI has released their text-to-speech model to the world, and it sounds just as good as 11 Labs, if not better. It is also the cheapest AI voice generator out there. The highest quality voices cost just 0.03 per 1,000 characters. Today, I will teach you how to use it for your projects. You don't need coding knowledge, just click Generate and download. So first, go to the video description and open the link to my Google Colab notebook. We will generate speech using this. Go to File and create a copy in your own drive. Then in your copy, click the play button for setup. I have already written the code, so you just have to click buttons in order and enter your text. It is very easy. You will need an OpenAI API key, which you will add in the key icon on the left. So click the OpenAI platform link and generate a key. Remember, you will only be able to copy this key once, so copy it and save it in Notepad. Next, I want you to go to Settings, click Billing, and add a payment method to add some cash. I added $7 and then canceled future payments. Then go to Limits. Set a monthly budget and an email reminder so that you are notified when running out of your budget. That's all. Come back to the Colab notebook. Click the key icon on the left and copy-paste the key in the field that says OpenAI API key. Toggle notebook access on. You only need to do this once. Now we are ready to generate our speech. There are 2 models, Simple and HD, and 6 voices. Choose a voice and model. HD model is better. I have some text prepared, so just add it to the box. Then click Play in next cell to get an estimate of the cost. Finally, click Play in next cell. Voice generation is pretty fast and takes only a few seconds. Click Play to listen to the output.
I saw my life branching out before me like the green fig tree in the story. From the tip of every branch, like a fat purple fig, a wonderful future beckoned and winked. One fig was a husband and a happy home and children, and another fig was a famous poet, and another fig was a brilliant professor, and another fig was an Olympic lady crew champion, and beyond and above these figs were many more figs I couldn't quite make out.
Pretty good, right? Now, onto the even more exciting part. Multilingual voice generation. I have translated my English text into Hindi. Just copy the Hindi text and paste it into the text box. Click Play to estimate cost again. Then click Play to generate, and voila, I now have a voiceover in Hindi as well.
मैंने अपने जीवन को कहानी में हरे अंजीर के पेड़ की तरह अपने सामने फैलते देखा। प्रत्येक शाखा की नोक से एक मोटे बैंगनी अंजीर की तरह एक अद्भुत भविष्य ने इशारा किया और आंख मारी।
To download these, just right-click and choose Save Audio As, or go to Files on the left and download. That's all. I have given the link to docs in the description. You can read more about which languages and voices it supports. Remember to provide a clear disclosure to end users that the TTS voice they are hearing is AI-generated and not a human voice, because OpenAI requires this. If you are interested in no-hype coverage of AI, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.